discuss about drawing of adjustable sector. So first select the plane and click on sketch. As per the figure given, draw the circles. Okay, so click on circle command, specify the center point and draw the two circles at the origin. Like this, draw the two circles. Next, again at some distance, draw other two circles by specifying the same center point for the two circles. Next, after that, give dimensions for the circle. Okay, specify the dimensions. This is the diameter 53. Next, similarly, specify other dimensions. As the dimension is 1.25 mm, we need to change it. So first specify the dimensions for all the circles and change the dimensions. Now double click on the dimensions to edit the dimensions. This is 1.25. Next is 2.25. Double click on the dimension and give the dimension as 2.25 mm. Similarly, select these two circles diameters and change the diameters like 2 mm and other is 1 mm. So as it is small, just click on fit all in and zoom it. And the distance between the two circles is the 4 mm. So specify the dimension and change the value to 4 mm. Now zoom the dimensions by changing it and click on fit in all and zoom it by clicking on zoom in. You can move the dimensions like this. Okay, so again zoom it to see the objects clearly. Just move this length aside so that these are visible easily. Okay, now they are at the center position. Now we need to draw other circles at the center point. So draw two circles at the origin. Specify the center point and draw the two circles like this. Now specify the dimensions for the circles. Double click on the dimensions to edit it. The diameter is 3.25 and next is 2.50. So we are done with the circles. Next, as it is given as the radius, so we need to change it to radius. Okay, just move the dimensions so that you can see the each diameters of each circles clearly. As this diameter is in radius, so edit it and change it to radius, that is change the radius as 2.50. Give the radius value as 2.50 and next other one is also in the radius, so click on that and give the radius as 3.25. Enter. So this is the circles which are in this position. Now we need to draw lines. As the line is starting from the center point, specify the center point for the line at the origin and draw an inclined line like this. Okay, next we need to specify the angle between horizontal line and the inclined line. As the angle given is 15 degrees, edit it to 15. Next there is another line we need to draw by using the offset. So choose the offset command and draw the line. Next default the distance as creator. Just double click on it and change the distance to 0.75. So like this the lines are drawn. In a similar manner, draw a line on the right side. Draw an inclined line from the same center point and the angle between the vertical axis and the line is 30 degrees. So specify the angle as 30 degrees. Angle as 30. Next, similar way, choose the offset command and make the offset for the line. Next, distance between them is 0.75. So give the as 0.75. Enter. Next, erase the unwanted lines by using the trim option as per the figure shown in the on the left side. So delete the unwanted portions in the drawing so that you can get the figure exactly. So by seeing in the exercise, you can erase the unwanted portions in the drawing. Okay, in this way we need to trim the unwanted portions wherever in the drawing. Once you are completed, we will go for the next steps. So next there is a middle line. So draw a middle line and from the center point to the this circle. Okay, yes, it should be horizontal. So draw a horizontal line which should be coincide with the center point. So draw a horizontal line with the coincide with the center point. Now choose the offset command. As it is on both sides, choose the option like offset on both sides and specify the distance as 0.75. Okay, as it is created on both sides distances, we need to specify the half of the distance. So choose the one dimension and give the value as 0.75, that is half of the length, that is 0.375. So offset distance is created, and here also we need to remove the unwanted portions. So next click on the quick trim option to remove the unwanted portions. So select the quick trim and remove the unwanted portions in the drawing. So like this we need to remove the unwanted portions wherever it is given as per the figure. So carefully by seeing the exercise figure, remove the unwanted portions. So this is there, we need to remove the unwanted portions. If you are not able to remove the objects, just zoom it and you can remove the portions easily. Okay, but there are some lines which are not in fully constrained. Okay, so for that you need to make the lines into fully constrained. Just once check whether you are deleted the unwanted portions or not. If you are not done, you need to trim the portions. As these are lines are moving, just we need to make a constraint with that. Select the lines and select the lines so that you can move the objects wherever you want. As it is moving, you need to make constraint. As this line is moving aside, we need to make the constraint with respect to other lines. So select the lines. So select this line and this line to make constraint with respect to line. So select this and the point, click on the constraint definition and make it a coincident. So it is coincident with the center point. Similarly, select these two lines and click on the constraint definition, make it parallelism. These two lines are in parallel position. Since again it is moving, you need to make the constraint. Select this line and this line, give the distances, that is 0.75. It was deleted because while you are using trim option, it was deleted. So give the distance again. Similarly, select this line and make the coincide with the center point. Select the line and the origin point. Select the line and click on origin point. Now give the constraint definition as the coincident. So it is coincident. So all the lines in this figure are constraint with respect to the origin. Check whether all other lines are trimmed or not. Okay. Next, convert this line into construction element as it is given as a construction element in the figure. Next, remove the dimensions so that you can see only the figure. Click on the geometric constraints. Click on the dimensional constraints to unvisible the dimensions. Okay, so this is how the figure are shown in the exercise figure. So after completion of this, we need to save the figure. Just click on save as. Choose the folder where you want to save the file and give the name as the file name, that is adjustable sector exercise 3, and click on save. So this is about the drawing of the adjustable sector in CATIA in Sketcher module. So we'll discuss about other exercises in further classes. Thank you.